Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, September 12th, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the economic calendar for today. Electronic card retail sales data from the New Zealand were published overnight, and it increases from minus 0.1% to 0.2%. REX house price balance in UK increases from minus 18% to 1%. Large manufacturing conditions in Japan increase from minus 1% to 4.5%. During the London session, we got the speech from ECB Macau. We got the Spanish CPI 2.3%, so it's slightly better than expected. ECB Supervisory Board member Jochnik will give a speech as well, and then we got IEA monthly report from the US. During the New York session, we got the key event of the day, ECB interest rate decision together with the deposit facility rate. And this is very interesting situation here because the ECB is expected to cut the rate from 4.25 to 3.65, quite significant cut together with the interest rate decision. There is ECB marginal lending facility scheduled for release and monetary policy statement. All of this will take place at 2:15. PPI and core PPI data are scheduled for release at 2:30. Those data are from the US together with the initial jobless claims. In the meantime, building permits from Canada are expected to be released as well. ECB press conference will start at 2:45, and then we got the comments from the ECB President Christine Lagarde at 4:15, and then 10 minutes later SNB Chairman Thomas Jordan will give a speech as well. 4:30 there is a German Buba Vice President Buch will give a speech. And then narrowing towards the end of the day, we got WACDE report from the US at 6 o'clock, at 8 o'clock federal budget balance, and at 10:30 Fed's balance sheet. The key event of the day is the interest rate decision by the ECB, and of course the PPI and initial jobless claims data from the US. Let's find out what's going on the charts now. Euro dollar for our chart is showing us that the market participants are right now preparing, positioning itself ahead of the interest rate decision by the ECB. Cut is expected, significant cut is expected these days. We hit the level of 1.10 again 1 to 3 times already. Now the volatility is very limited. The volatility is very, very low as the market participants expect the interest rate to cut the interest, ECB to cut the interest rate from 4.25 to 3.65%. So quite significant cut. We shouldn't have any volatility increasing during this period until the ECB interest rate decision is officially published. Please remember, 30 minutes later, 2:45, there is an ECB press conference, so please stay focused, stay vigilant, as there might be some questions, some remarks, some statements from the ECB officials that might spark the volatility even higher. So that's the euro dollar. What is going on SP 500, which is of course another market that is waiting for the ECB data, of course, but for the CPI and initial jobless claims data. So recently we dip minus 4.43%. We dip almost 50%. We traced almost 50% of the last swing up. Nevertheless, that's just the water under the bridge, because from this low here we just went way higher. We just bounced from 5,400 level. So this is the technical support. We tested it yesterday, and today we are trading roughly around 5,565, which is way above the 50 and 100 period moving average on the 4-hour chart. So the Fibonacci is gone for now, and the market participants are expecting some kind of a troubles testing the level of 5,565, which is the temporary short-term intraday technical resistance. And a breakout above this level would eventually open the road towards the next target, which is located at 5,655. So the outlook for the S&P 500 with this kind of a momentum at the level of 60 points is bullish. So the S&P 500 is going up. What is gold doing then? The gold is trading very, very close to the recent swing high. So the gold is about to break out higher significantly, and the S&P is ready to move higher as well. One of those is basically bluffing. So this consolidation period that took place in August, and it started at the August 20th, 2024, is right now 3 weeks old, and we are still waiting for the bulls to resume their uptrend. Right now momentum is positive, but it's not that strong, only 55 points. So if we want to do it, if we want to rally higher on the gold, we should do it now, or we should do it very, very, very soon. As you can see, we got a few of the levels, a few of the attempts that were trying to break above 2,528 level. But so many attempts, no breakout, no avail. The bears are still pushing the prices a little bit lower, away from this level, from the all-time high, making the bulls even more desperate and frustrated because there is no result from their attempts. However, because there is so many bears trying to break the bulls and push the prices lower, if there is strong, significant breakout above the last swing high at $2,531, the short squeeze might took place. Okay, so please be careful. Keep an eye on the current situation on gold, because we might see spike to the upside, and the short-term traders, especially the sellers, will be forced to close their transactions, will be forced to close their orders. So that might backfire for them. So please keep an eye on the gold these days. And last but not least is Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin is going up just as expected after the wave 4 dip had been completed. Right now we made another swing high. This might be a potential high for the wave 5, because it's higher than the high for the wave 3. Wave 3 is 58,045. Wave 5 is potentially 58,473. So $400 higher. However, with that kind of momentum, there is still a chance that the bulls on Bitcoin will eventually terminate the wave 5 roughly in between the levels of 58,555, 59,865. So this area here is the area of the interest for the bears. Please notice the fact that we retraced exactly 50% of the last swing down just recently. So we got this last swing down, and we just retrace it significantly. So there might be some sort of the pullback that will take place soon on the Bitcoin market when the wave 5 to the upside is completed. There is still some room to the upside. There is still some room to the upside here on the chart. We might see spike to the upside, and then the wave 5 target will be completed. That's everything for me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.